My name's Darcy Maxim, and today we're viewing this home. 1 second, let me get closer. I'm back. Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Darcy Maxim, and today we're viewing this luxury property just under 1.8 million. We are in Spain. I present to you Calpe. We're starting the video tour. Look at this beautiful home behind me. It's a Mediterranean Spanish house. This home has been completely refurbished 3 years ago. It's super modern inside and it still has that charm to it. This home has a plot size of 1,600 square meters, 750 square meters built. It has on the bottom floor a sauna, a Turkish bath, jacuzzi, has a cinema with a bodega, and how cool is this? It has glass that you can see straight through the pool when the people are inside. On the main floor there is a living room, 2 bedrooms, and then on the top floor we have another 3 bedrooms and breathtaking sea views. This is the property. Let me show you how it looks inside. When you come into the property, there is a place to park your car inside the garage, and you can go straight inside the home all the way up. But if you come through the outside, you come to this beautiful entrance. You can see this arch here, how nice it looks. And then walking through here, walking in the entrance, you just have this pure natural light feeling. You have these great big glass windows all on the front. I can even see out to the sea and to the mountain. Coming over here, you've got this great big living room looking straight out to the swimming pool. And these big glass windows slide completely open, so in the summer when it gets hot, just open it up and have that nice fresh breeze. You have the fireplace here in the back, the nice sofa and L to relax, and just look at this oasis garden. Now this is what I call paradise. I love the grass on the properties, and just look at these palm trees. We're surrounded by them, and this is what gives that oasis feeling inside. We have this great big swimming pool on the left hand side. Here's perfect to be able to relax, to put your hammock, to be able to take the sun, because from this side we have sun from first thing in the morning all the way till the evening. On this side of the terrace, it's where we come to the barbecue area, the place where you can have dinner, and we're also covered. You got here another chill out area, and coming through here, we go straight to the big American kitchen. Check out the quality of this and the modern feeling it just gives you. You have this big, beautiful island here in the middle. All of this is completely one plate. I haven't seen a lot of homes like this. What's also really good about this is that from the kitchen you can walk straight out to the swimming pool and to the terrace. Next to the kitchen, you have this great big dining table made out of natural wood. And if you come with me, on this side, there is 2 bedrooms with their own bathroom. And before showing you the top floor, let me show you downstairs how cool it is. Let's go. I love doing surprises. The first door we come to is a cinema and a bar. Look at this. You have the bar area on the right with these LED lights. Over here you have this great big sofa and L. You have this jungle style on the back that is completely covered. Over here there is a bodega to store your best wines. And look how cool this is over here. And here you can see the bottom bit of the pool with the glass. And this is the place to wind down. Over here, Turkish bath. On the left, we have a brand new sauna. On this side, we have a fully equipped jacuzzi, and then a great big bathroom with showers on the back side. And just to make it fun, there is also another bedroom of glass here. We come to the top floor with this glass balustrade, and there's a total of 3 bedrooms. The one on the right has views looking straight to the sea and its own little terrace. Like I said in the beginning of the video, the whole home has been completely refurbished, so everything is brand new. You can just look at these LED lights. You have the doors that go from the floor all the way to the ceiling, that this is the new style that they're using. All of the bedrooms have their own bathroom, and this one has its terrace. Look at this beautiful view behind me from the mountains. We have the sea in front and the mountains at the back. So this is perfect to have a nice glass of wine and to relax. Let's see the last bedroom. Now we come to the master bedroom. We have this hallway because it's so big. Just look at this beautiful bathroom with the grey tiles. It gives such a modern feeling. And then coming through here, we have this great big walk-in wardrobe. All of the rooms have a lot of natural light, as you can see, and a lot of space. And for me, it's one of the best, because first thing in the morning, you're looking straight out to the sea, and it's where the sun rises. So you don't need an alarm clock. This home is if you want to live the Spanish lifestyle, but still with that modern feeling. Viewers, this home is listed by Costa Blanca Investments. If you would like to view it or know more information, check in the link below. And subscribe to the channel and hit like to the video, because every single week we're uploading another one, and we're not missing not one week. So I'll see you on the next week, and get ready for the new one. Where will it be?